I discovered that the issues, concerns confronting the Philippine government as macro fiscal challenges and opportunities are not far different from other ASEAN neighbors, except that perhaps some vary in terms of intensity or degree. Well, internally, there will always be glitches, challenges as far as implementation of existing macro fiscal policies. And the opportunities are still there, just outside. It's a matter of sorting those opportunities which can be most taken and tackled or welcome, rather than looking back on what is something that is there already behind us.
My name is Pani Wolajit. I work at the Ministry of the Finance, Lao PTR. Some issue we are the same, but different implementation. Yeah, and the knowledge from the speaker is very, very clear, understand for us. Yeah, if you ask me when this lesson, I should for Lao, we should more protected. Me is a more the system. Yeah, how will we do? Now we have, but it's the implementation, regulations, everything. We should to make it the right way. Swadika. Hi, I'm Paradi.
Hi, I'm Nonthakon.
Okay, we're from Thailand. For the workshop, we attend for 3 days. From my perspective, I got a lot of things. I got to learn how the climate change could affect Thailand, even though we're not that in the ring of fire, I could say. But then there's a lot of tools that we may think ahead about how we could finance if the thing happen in the future. More importantly for me is that we learn a lot, and then I have time to look back how Thailand doing right now, how we can improve based on the training. And you, son?
For me, I learned a lot from the all session, and Thailand can adopt everything like CDR or CSO to our country, to develop the product, to financing to the people. Yeah, we appreciate it.
Yeah. Thank you so much.